B2B Research AI Agent AI is one of the most promising tools released recently for businesses, and today we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're a digital marketer, business owner, or part of a research team, this AI promises to change the way you handle B2B research. Stick around to find out how this software could revolutionize your operations. First off, the B2B Research AI Agent offers cutting-edge AI technology specifically built to gather in-depth business insights. What makes this AI so powerful is its ability to sift through vast amounts of data much faster and more accurately than traditional research methods. It aggregates, analyzes, and distills information from various online sources to provide you with actionable insights. One of the most standout features is its ability to automate prospecting. No more endless hours spent manually searching for leads or market data. With B2B Research AI Agent, you can set parameters for your ideal prospects, and the AI does the heavy lifting, delivering you a steady stream of potential leads that match your criteria. It's fast, it's efficient, and it saves you valuable time that can be better spent elsewhere. The second crucial aspect is its data accuracy. This AI doesn't just pull data randomly, it's designed to filter out noise and give you only the most relevant and up-to-date information. By using machine learning algorithms, the software improves over time, refining its search and delivery methods. This means you're getting reliable, high-quality data that you can trust to make informed decisions. Next, the B2B Research AI Agent offers customization that's ideal for different industries. Whether you're in tech, finance, or healthcare, this AI can be tailored to meet your specific needs. You can adjust filters, keyword searches, and even set the AI to focus on certain regions or companies. The flexibility here is a game changer for businesses that need personalized data and want to optimize their processes. Another key feature is the real-time updates. In today's fast-paced market, information becomes outdated quickly. But with this AI, you can stay ahead of the curve with real-time alerts whenever there's new relevant data that matches your set parameters. This ensures you never miss out on valuable opportunities or critical information, keeping you competitive in your field. For those who are worried about the learning curve, B2B Research AI Agent is surprisingly user-friendly. Even if you're not tech-savvy, the interface is intuitive, with easy-to-navigate dashboards and simple setup processes. Plus, there's a robust support system in place to guide you through any setup or usage challenges you might encounter. Lastly, one of the best things about the B2B Research AI Agent is its scalability. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, this software grows with your needs. It can handle everything from small-scale prospecting to massive research projects without skipping a beat. As your business evolves, this AI can scale accordingly, ensuring that it remains an essential tool for your operations. Now, here's a bonus tip. If you're intrigued by what you're hearing and want to test it out for yourself, you can try B2B Research AI Agent completely free by clicking the first link in the description. It's a great way to see firsthand how the software works without any commitment, so you can explore its full potential before deciding whether it's the right fit for your business. After trying thousands of AI software tools, I've picked the best ones for you, and all of them are listed in the description below. Make sure to check them out for free trials and to discover which one is best suited for your business needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on the latest software releases, and feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments.